rain for South Texas when this thing is all said and done.
Yes, they're going to see tons of rain, likely 5 to 10 inches in total for South Texas. And we're not out of the woods yet. Check this out, folks. Up to 5 more inches of rain possible along the Rio Grande. Now, that's a little more inland there, and the heaviest rain from now until the storm finally dissipates over central Mexico is going to occur more so in Mexico than it will in South Texas. So lots of rainfall there. And as we look over at our region, we're not going to be impacted by this hardly. Maybe a few hundredths of an inch in deep East Texas, maybe up to a tenth or two of an inch there in our southeastern counties. There is Tropical Storm Alberto now, 40-mile-per-hour sustained winds. We will get a next update at 7 o'clock, but it's maintained its strength, may strengthen a little bit before ultimately making landfall early tomorrow morning, and then it will weaken as it does get into some of the mountainous regions in central Mexico. Now, as we take a wider look, you can see lots of precipitation along the coast here, and what this has done is it's opened the Gulf up to all this moisture being pumped in the lower levels, and that's given central and South Texas quite a bit of rainfall. I mean, just look at the swath of this thing. You can see some rain extending all the way from portions of Louisiana through Beaumont, Houston, Galveston, into portions of Brownsville and South Texas. For us, just a little bit of drizzle out there today. And the rainfall we've seen today, it has not amounted out to much as expected. Now, as we look at Futurecast, we'll continue with off and on drizzle over the next few hours, but then kind of dissipates. A few breaks in the clouds tomorrow morning. Other than that, most of us will see partly cloudy skies with the exception of maybe a brief thunderstorm or two in deep East Texas tomorrow afternoon. And then we do begin to dry out as the storm system makes its way more inland, and we'll see some sunshine on Friday. 76 tonight, 20% chance of rain. If we see storms, they're likely to be in deep East Texas tomorrow. Otherwise, significantly warmer than what we saw today. Highs back into the lower 90s. And as we take a look at the next 7 days, we'll see lots of sunshine. High temperatures, mid to upper 90s expected. We could see more isolated showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon and evening by the middle part of next week. And as we look at deep East Texas, similar deal. We will be fairly warm, perhaps the warmest stretch of weather we have had this year so far. Isaac, Casey.
Carson.